Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. We are underneath a 2007 Chevrolet Cobalt LS 2.2 liter, and I've been seeing customer complaints of noise, ticking, rattling when turning, or from a stop when accelerating. Develop this ticking, rattling noise underneath the vehicle. And I can tell you right now, there's no oil in the dipstick, so I think it's actually the engine is making noise. So we're going to take out the 15mm drain plug. We'll see how much comes out. You can see how clean and dry this is. There's no oil leaks, so really they're going way over their oil change maintenance schedule mileage, which I don't know right now, or just burning oil with these engines. So we're going to drain the oil and see how much we get into our graduated cylinder. See, catch most of it here. All of it. Ooh, look at that, just pouring out of there. It's hot too. You'd think it would be kind of more shooting out than that. I'm just going to film this in real time. Maybe I'll speed it up in editing, but we'll just see how much comes out. Ooh. Just over a pint, which is half a quart basically. We might get, maybe if we let it run long enough, maybe we'll get a quart out of it. So, rattling noise on acceleration, rattling noise, ticking noise on turns. Maybe what little oil you have in your engine is not being sucked into the motor when you're turning or accelerating. It's going dry, causing a rattling noise. So I think for most people, when they change oil, if it's coming down kind of like that, and that's probably good enough for them, they'll put the plug in. So there's 1 quart right there, and it's not even quite to 1 quart. So we'll do a full oil change on this and probably fix their problem. So check your oil, even if you're not losing any on these motors. Well, that was, I guess it's good, surprisingly quiet on startup, but it was really rattling. When I drove it in, when I started it up, it was obviously starving for oil. So it takes about 4.5 quarts. So 3 quarts low, 3.5 quarts low. Yeah, 3.5 quarts low, basically. That's quite a bit. So no oil leaks, but it must be burning it. So again, maintain oil by checking it probably once a month, and topping it off as needed will help your engine survive and keep the noise when accelerating or turning from showing up. Every vehicle with this engine probably is going to suffer from the same problem. May or may not turn a check engine light on. This one did not turn it on.